How the mighty have fallen. Brenda Shore started the season with 9 straight wins. And like any gambler knows, hey, your luck can turn horrible in a blink of an eye. She's now lost 2 in a row. Can she right the ship? Here's Brenda and Pete McMurray.
Guys, we're hanging out here at the Bagel Restaurant in Delhi. It's week 13. Bears go to New York to take on the Giants. Brenda, tell us about it.
Giants have to do no more to ensure their place in my heart than the 2007 Super Bowl win. Did you guys see that? You got Eli coming out of a sack, 3rd and long, throwing the ball. His jersey's all smushed. He throws the ball. David Tyree catches it on his helmet. Was that the greatest throw and catch in the history of football? And then they do it again 2 years later. Did you see the Super Bowl commercial last year? I had the time of my life.
So who are you going to take, the Giants or the Bears?
Giants have the worst defense in the NFL. I got to take the Bears.
Okay.
Sorry.
Guys, I'm going to take the Bears. All right, back to you.
Dude, we have created a monster.
We're the Bagels, Brenda.
Yeah, we're the
for it.
Bagels. We have a new leader as well. My partner's 10-1. Brenda falls 1 game back. Pete and I are on the hunt now. 2 games back with 5 weeks to go. No one's going to make up any ground on my partner this week because everyone is taking the Bears.